I'm gonna start off this video just a little bit different. I'm gonna start off with a verse from the Bible. My relationship with God has been growing, and there are some things that I'm learning, and I just want to share with you, since I honestly do believe that as women, we sometimes tend to struggle with ourselves. We tend to struggle with self-love. We tend to struggle with so many things that sometimes we forget that there's always someone watching, and that there is always someone taking care of us and making sure that we are always good. Sometimes things happen where we get tested and we start to lose ourselves somewhere along the way. I found this verse and I loved it, and I was like, I'm gonna share it with all of you. And it goes like this: She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. That just made me happy. I don't know if it's because of where I'm at in life right now, and I feel like so much has happened within the last few years where I have forgotten a lot of things, and somewhere along the line I lost myself, and I know that I am not the only one going through it, and I know that I'm not the only one who feels this way. So I just thought that I would put that verse out there, since I do love what it says. It gives me the confidence, and it makes me feel good in my heart that I know that God has me, and I know that some of you who are struggling out there, I know that He's got you too. You may not understand, because it's very difficult to understand when you're feeling something or when you're going through something. At the end of the day, He's always there, no matter what. If you pay close attention to everything that goes on in your everyday life, you'll see the signs, for sure. So, yeah. Now moving on to what this video is all about, and it is this makeup look. I thought I would create a look for you guys. This is not the look. I honestly, when I decided to film, I did not know what the fuck I was gonna do, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wing it, and I'm just gonna go for it. And so I did, and I ended up actually loving how this looks. I incorporated a few colors into this eye makeup. The major point here, not only was it just the eye makeup, but I wanted to focus it on not wearing foundation. I have not been wearing foundation as often as I used to. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from people who have been loving the way that my face looks. Usually when someone tells me that, I'm just like, honestly, I want to say it's the preparation that goes into before applying all of this stuff that I have on right now. I don't know, just how well you take care of your skin overall as well. This is definitely the type of look that you could go for if you're going out. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to know how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. We're gonna start off with this YSL blurring primer. I got this at Sephora from, the little points things when you go to redeem it. I was like, oh, I've been into hella primers right now. I was like, why the fuck not? It feels really good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eye is like red, and I honestly want to say that it's because of the sun. I was out in the sun way too fucking long. But a little goes a long way. Like, it's super smooth. I really like it. And then I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm kind of trying to let my brows grow out little by little. That way I don't have to let them just all grow out, because then they'll just look super crazy. So for this look, I'm actually not going to use foundation. One of the main reasons for that is because I actually don't have a color that will match this. So we're gonna have to improvise, we're gonna have to figure something out. This concealer should go with my skin tone. I'm praying that it does not make me look like I have goggles or something. I don't know, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like, where this is just all white. So we're gonna need to figure something out. I literally just got this because I needed a new concealer, and this was the closest thing that I felt it matched me. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with this Real Technique setting brush and just lightly go over it to where it blends it out, but it still covers, if that makes sense. And for those of you who actually haven't tried this concealer, this is a Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. I fucking love this shit. This shit does not crease on you for shit. It is probably one of the best concealers to wear when you're not wearing any makeup, meaning foundation. And now I'm just gonna go in with my fingers. And now I'm gonna go with this Tarte contour stick. I know I have mentioned this in several of my videos in the past, but I know it's by Tarte. It's probably like their like sculpture stick or something. But this, I'm actually gonna apply it on my cheekbones right here. That way I can get some color here in a second. And then a little bit on my nose. Okay, and now going in with this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out. Perfect, and now I am actually gonna go in with this Laura Mercier translucent powder, my go-to powder, literally for everything, even when I'm not wearing foundation. And I'm just gonna literally set this underneath my eyes, kind of trying to do the baking method, and then I'm going to set everything else that I applied, the concealer and that contour stick. And the brush that I will be using for that is this powder brush by Eco Tools. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium to tan. And I'm gonna be using this color, which is the color Havana. And then I will be using this one, which the color name is Espresso. Okay, and now going in with this one. And now I'm actually gonna go in with the balm of your hand. Literally, I think this palette is so cute. I feel like everything in this palette I would use, literally everything. It comes with a bronzer, 3 blushes, 4 eyeshadows, and the Mary Lou Manizer highlight, which is my go-to. It was my go-to a long time ago, and I just see myself running back to it now since it's in this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that highlight right here in my cheekbone, in my brow bone area, down my nose, just a tad bit on the side of my nose. As for the blush, I'm gonna be applying this one, the In Stain one. And now I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Soft Brown. And now I am gonna go in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and just have these stay in place. And now, as for the eyes, I am actually gonna go in with this Revolution makeup palette. I saw this one at Ulta and just all the colors, it was calling my name, and so I got it. Usually I'm not much of an eyeshadow type of gal, but I do try to come up with looks just for you guys. So I am actually gonna go in with this Morphe brush, but I got it at Ulta as well. So it's the set that comes with all of these. I think it was like 18 bucks. Not bad at all. I don't know the name of it, but it's this one. I'm gonna take this middle peachy color and I'm actually gonna apply that on my crease. So very pigmented. That was literally just one tap. And I'm actually gonna take this green color right here. And now I'm gonna take this brighter green with the same brush, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. Apply it on top. That way the green can be a bit more vibrant. Going in with this brown color, we're gonna apply it a little bit on the outer corner. We're gonna start flicking it out. Now I'm gonna take this smaller pointy brush from the same collection. I think I'm gonna grab this brown color and just apply it on the bottom lid. And then grabbing this guy right here, I'm gonna start bringing it down. And now I'm gonna go in with this pointy brush again, the one that I was using on my bottom lid, and I'm just gonna grab this black, just a tad bit, and we're actually gonna apply this just right here on the outer corner, and we're just gonna dab it. Perfect. And now we're just gonna add some lashes and I will be right back. And now I'm just gonna go in with this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Let that dry a little bit. And now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Since we did not use any foundation, I really want to try to have this stay on my face all night, you know? So I know definitely with this, nothing will move on my face. Alright, so now moving on to the lips. I'm gonna go in with this Lancome Le Crayon lip liner in Rosy. And I'm just gonna outline my lips. And now I'm just gonna go in, who is this by? Oh, this Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit. And then with my finger, I'm gonna go in and just blend it all. Okay, and because I do want a little bit more definition on my lips, I'm gonna take this Lancome lip liner in the color Berry. I'm just gonna go in lightly around my lip area, like on the outer edge, and just outline very lightly. And you guys will see the difference here in a second. And then I'm gonna go back in with some of this. Do you see the difference it makes? It like outlines your lips so much better to where you're like, wow, I like that better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go take care of this hair situation and I will be right back. What do you guys think? I hope you guys love it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification button on. That way you are up to date with everything that is going on, along with you're up to date with all the videos that I post. I hope you enjoyed this little video of mine, and